Welcome back to the channel, and we'll be starting on a new series called Match Reviews, जिसमें मैं अपने opinions और मेरी so-called analysis share करूँगा मैच के बारे में. So yeah, let's get started right away. The match we're going to talk about is the match between Barca and Rayo, which happened yesterday, and yeah, as you may know, full time 1-1 score raha, and I'm very disappointed with my team how they played. What I usually want from them is कि they score many goals, even though they concede, चलता है. But yeah, yesterday was just straight up disappointing. Uh, let's go to the things that happened throughout the match. So let's talking about the first half. मैंने नोटिस करा कि पहले मैच में मतलब पहले हाफ में we missed a lot of chances. So talking about the most important chances, the first one that I saw was Rafinha ने फरहान को पास नहीं दिया. He was open in front of goal, लेकिन उसके बाद भी रफीना ने फरहान को पास नहीं दिया. ठीक है, नेचुरल है, ही इज हंग्री फॉर गोल्स, बट स्टिल या that was unnecessary. He should have passed. Easy 1-0. Okay. Second was also the same thing. लेकिन हुआ क्या कि रफीनिया ने पास दिया लेकिन it was too late. और फरहान थोड़ा डिसबैलेंस हो गया, तो फरहान टोरेस द शार्क, he couldn't capitalize on it. So ये दो इंस्टेंसेस बहुत स्टैंड आउट करे, एंड आई एक्सप्लेन कि ये दो इंस्टेंस इतने स्टैंड आउट क्यों करे. इवन दो डैनी ऑल्मो ऑल्सो मिस टू क्लियर कट चांसेस. ये स्टैंड आउट इसलिए करते हैं क्योंकि द थिंग दैट हैज़ बिन कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड दिस टीम लास्ट ईयर वॉज टीम केमिस्ट्री. ओके, टीम केमिस्ट्री इज सच एन एसेंशियल थिंग. आप PSG को देखो, PSG just dominated all across Europe except for the Club World Cup where Chelsea was exceptional. But the thing is कि अगर आपकी टीम में केमिस्ट्री नहीं है तो नो मैटर हाउ गुड योर प्लेयर्स आर, इट वोंट वर्क. सो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इन येस्टरडेज मैच वाज दैट कि लोग सेल्फिश हो रहे थे. कल मैंने अपने प्लेयर्स में अपने प्लेयर्स में सेल्फिशनेस देखी विच आई हैवंट सीन लास्ट ईयर. सेल्फिशनेस, वो वाली सेल्फिशनेस जो कि भारी पड़ती है एट मोमेंट्स व्हेन यू वांट टू बी द हीरो, बट या प्लेइंग फॉर द टीम शुड बी द फर्स्ट थिंग ऑन योर माइंड रादर देन प्लेइंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. एंड या that was हार्ट ब्रेकिंग और काफ़ी बुरा लगा मुझे देख के कल. और सच बोलूँ तो आई बीन अ बिग फैन ऑफ लमीन यमाल, not since last year, even the season before that I was rooting for him कि भाई this kid is going to be something. But last season what he showed was exceptional ability. ठीक है, talent है, no denying, मतलब for sure सब लोग ये चीज़ बोलेंगे, लेकिन the thing that I liked the most about his game was that he wasn't selfish. ठीक है, he would pass, he would create chances, play making elite level, unselfish, winger, बच्चा, talent. I mean, इतनी maturity game में थी उसके last year, मतलब अभी भी है of course भाई, of course he's progressing well, but the thing that I saw yesterday from him was I was disappointed in my player. I don't know Kunde को क्या हुआ है, but he isn't his same self right now. I expect him to be so much better. I mean, we had so much space between. But talking about Pedri or De Jong, they played so well. They played so well in the sense कि they were carrying the ball well, they were making good passes. लेकिन जो हमारा attack था ना कल, that wasn't functioning well. Olmo was having a bad day because he was missing open chances, and usually chances that you expect him to finish, but yesterday it wasn't working out for him. Their midfield was kind of better. अब देखो यार, पिच बहुत ख़राब था, लेकिन ये सब बोलना ना बेकार चीज़ें होती है. नो मैटर द स्टेट ऑफ द पिच, यू हैव टू प्ले वेल. गिवन कि आप मतलब इस स्टैचर की टीम हो, तो दैट डजंट एन एक्सक्यूज़ फॉर द टीम. बट उनका मिडफील्ड, पापे, सीस और ईसी, जो उसने स्ट्रेंथ कल डिस्प्ले करी De Jong के अगेंस्ट, ऑल्मो के अगेंस्ट, रफीनिया के अगेंस्ट, आई मीन they played really well. They played really well in my opinion, and to be honest, they probably deserve to win. I mean, if we're being fair. What was the positive takeaway from yesterday's match? Man, Joan Garcia. Joan Garcia was so good yesterday. If अगर मतलब he wasn't there, then for sure we concede 2-3. I mean, we lose 3-1 for sure. क्योंकि उसने दो बहुत crucial saves करे जो कि, not taking any names, keepers from the past would have never saved. 100%. Take my word for it. किसी को भी बोल दो भाई, 100%. Well guys, those are my thoughts about the match. Let me know what you think of it, and share your thoughts in the comment box below, and see you next time.